It's your boy Keenan. Welcome to Just Felt Like Cooking. Just fresh off this bomb pay-per-view NXT TakeOver in Toronto. Got me in the mood. Got me in the mood to whoop up Snack-A-Giz. So what I'm about to throw together is a little snack. One of my Snack-A-Giz. About to put together these Monte Cristo hand pies. So we're going to do it real quick with some biscuits. We got some ham right here. We got some turkey. We got some sharp cheddar. And we got some red raspberry jelly. Get the seedless one. Them seeds get in the way and it's, not pleasant to chew on. So we're going to get this together. I'm going to show you how I knock it out. So we're going to start dicing up this meat here. This is the turkey. We're going to take that and set it on this little styrofoam dish here. We're going to break all these little pieces apart so we can get even distribution within the vessel. We got this ham. Alright, now we're going to break down these biscuits. So what we're going to do here, we got these biscuits, and we're just going to break them in half. They got a little seam on them. We're on a flour, a little cookie sheet. Put a little flour on your rolling pin. Just roll these bad boys out. Bacon is not my thing. That's my wife's category. So I'm winging it right now. But I could put together one of my good Snack-A-Giz. Bam, you just want to flatten it out. See what I mean? Boom. I did a few already. Test runs. So we're going to finish knocking these out and we're going to get them filled up. So let's put these bad boys together. We got a little ham. A little turkey. A little cheese. And the jelly. We'll cover that bad boy. Tuck it. Tuck it. Then we're going to use that little fork action. We all learned that in home ec class. You've seen it on TV. You can get all fancy and crimp. I don't need no crimps. Maybe some scrimp, but not no crimps. Man, unless my wife is baking a pie, then yeah. We got a little section that's not sealed. So then you want to poke some holes to vent. You don't want it blowing up on you because you got filling in there. Let's knock out another one. Ham. Turkey. Cheese. A little bit of jelly. Cover it. Stretch it. Make sure you got all your edges covered. Seal with the fork. vent hose. Alright, I got a few more to go. I'm gonna knock them out. We're gonna put them in the oven. Follow the instructions, you know, baking instructions on the biscuit packet. Preheat your oven. I got mine at 350. I'm gonna throw them in there between 12 to 15 minutes. Back in a minute. So I got these bad boys lined up, and I brushed them with a little egg wash mixture with some egg and milk. Just brushed the top of them. So we're gonna get them in the oven. I got the oven set at 350. I'm gonna check them in about 10-12 minutes. It's been about 12 minutes. They ain't quite there yet. I just pulled these bad boys out. Probably a total about 14 minutes. Got a little spillage right there, but that's okay. I mean, whenever you went to a bakery and you seen something like that. So the little egg and milk mixture gave it this little golden brown color, as you can see. And I put my little vent holes in there so they wouldn't blow up. So let's see what they look like in the inside. Alright, so let's cut this bad boy open. Dust with a little powdered sugar, traditional Monte Cristo style. And that smells good. A little piece of ham there. Oh yeah, look at that. Cheese is melted, ham, jelly, turkey. Let's get a bite. That's better than your frozen thing. I'm pretty sure I got powdered sugar all on me. It's all good though. We real cooking, real eating. I'm gonna knock these out. This your boy Keenan. Monte Cristo hand pies. Just made that up. I just feel like I got powdered sugar all on me. Like I said, I'm gonna knock these out. It's your boy Keenan. Just felt like cooking. Mmm.